Next question in my practice exam 2, problem 7. Fx equals cosine of sine of x squared. Find f prime x. And then find f prime at 3. So notice when you read your expression, cosine of sine of x squared. So anytime you have to say of something complicated, that is when you need to use the chain rule. All right. So there is a chain of 3 functions actually. The outermost is cosine, middle one is sine, and the innermost is x squared. All right. So let's write this down. F of x equals cosine of sine of x squared. All right, so I had to say of 2 times. So that means there are 2 links. All right, so how do I find the derivative? Derivative is by chain rule. You start f prime x equals, start with the outermost one. What is the derivative of cosine? It is negative sine. All right, and inside is a rather complicated thing, so I will leave space for that complicated thing. All of it goes inside. Okay, all of that goes inside. Fair. Now, am I done? I'm not done. Why? Because this was chain rule. I took care of the outermost so far. Innermost was copied as it is. Now we go inside, go to the next function, sine. Its derivative is cosine. Okay, so we are going to multiply by cosine of what? Whatever was inside sine, all of that goes inside. All right, so that took care of the sine part. Whatever was inside sine will continue to be inside cosine. Am I done? No, there was one more complication inside. Its derivative is 2x. You got that? So that is your answer. So let's write this down here. F prime is, is, right? Better make the screen small so I can see both of them side by side. Fair? So f prime is, there is a negative, I'll write it as I see, sine of x to the power 2, close. Now multiplied by cosine of x to the power 2, close, times multiplied by 2 times x. That's it. That was f prime of x. Now how do I find f prime at 3? Anytime I see an x, I place a parenthesis 3. Don't forget parenthesis. All right. So I'll just simply cut and paste this quantity. Write it here. Anytime I see x, you see I see an x over there. I'll replace that x by parenthesis 3. These parentheses are very important, guys, especially if you have a negative number inside. Here, I have an x, so I replace it by parenthesis 3. Here, I have an x there. It's very important I write parenthesis 3. Notice, if I don't write parenthesis, it's not 23. That's not what I want. 2 times x. So if you write parenthesis, you're set. Now let's submit and see. We are done. All right. Until next problem.